Autotuni is a modern and flexible WordPress theme built with Elementor. It features a clean design, responsive layout, and easy drag-and-drop customization. The theme includes ready-made pages, WooCommerce support, a blog, portfolio, gallery, and advanced theme options. It is optimized for performance, SEO, and mobile devices. With one-click demo import and a wide range of built-in features, you can create a professional and engaging website in no time. Overdrive is a modern and flexible WordPress theme designed with a professional and dynamic style. It includes a responsive layout that works smoothly on different devices. The theme offers useful features like portfolio sections, blog support, maps, and interactive elements. Built with Elementor, it allows easy customization without advanced coding skills. With a clean design, powerful options, and compatibility with popular tools, it is a great choice for creating a complete and engaging website. Piston is a modern and visually striking WordPress theme built for high-performance websites. It features a bold full-screen layout, smooth animations, and a fully responsive design that looks great on any device. The theme is easy to customize with advanced options, drag-and-drop content management, and quick demo import. It also includes SEO-friendly code, performance optimization, blog and shop support, plus gallery and portfolio layouts. With its clean design and flexible features, Piston helps you create a fast, professional, and engaging website. RentRider is a modern and responsive WordPress theme with a clean and professional design. It includes a powerful booking system, advanced search options, and flexible content management. The theme supports light and dark modes, making the browsing experience more comfortable. It also comes with customizable layouts, blog, portfolio, gallery, and team sections. SEO-friendly code, performance optimization, and one-click installation help you build your website quickly and efficiently. It is a great choice for creating a fast, stylish, and feature-rich WordPress website. Autocar is a modern WooCommerce WordPress theme designed for building professional websites with advanced listing features. It comes with a clean layout, powerful search and filtering tools, and an easy-to-use admin panel. The theme includes responsive design, customizable pages, galleries, blog support, and WooCommerce integration. It also offers smooth animations, performance optimization, and flexible customization options. With broad plugin compatibility and a feature-rich design, it provides everything needed to create a fast, professional, and engaging website. Repaid is a modern and responsive WordPress theme built with flexibility in mind. It features a clean design, fast performance, and an intuitive drag-and-drop editing experience with Elementor. The theme includes ready-made pages, portfolio, blog, gallery, and one-page layouts. It also supports WooCommerce, making it easy to create and manage an online store. With advanced customization options and broad plugin compatibility, it is a solid choice for building a professional website.